In my customer support work, there is always the psychological challenge of understanding where the user is coming from and trying to see beyond the customer's immediate questions. And when we do that, we are able to see beyond the immediate questions the fact, for example, that the user may be following a rabbit trail and ends up asking us the wrong questions. For another example, we may be able to perceive that the customer's entire simulation methodology might need some improvement. For example, that the customer needs to progress gradually from the simple simulation problems towards the more complex. Finally, as you know, our software constantly receives cutting-edge enhancements, and it is our responsibility at support to ensure that customers understand exactly how to use these new features so that, in the end, their bottom line is actually improved.